way, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. CDL truck drivers, Class A's, Class B's, all permits. So you want to be a truck driver, huh? I know what you're saying. New York City King, you're out here late at night driving a truck. No, actually it's early in the morning. It's about 4:30 in New York. In my nice brand new truck. And this is what it takes to be a truck driver, to be on your grind, ladies and gentlemen. You know, all my other fellow truck drivers know what I'm talking about. So we got about a 3-hour ride here. We're going to go from upstate New York into Brooklyn. And I have my morning coffee. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts that opens up at 4:30 in the morning. But so you want to be a truck driver. You know, this is what it takes. It's not a 9-to-5 job. It's only cubicle you got is inside your cab. Gotta learn how to master all trucks in the end of the game, because hey, you don't ever know what kind of truck you're gonna have to drive, but you better be able to drive it. So all you new CDL drivers, don't be discouraged. I mean, it's early in the morning. Let me get into this right lane. I do got a load on here. Slow it down. Don't be discouraged, yo. You'll get used to the hours. You know, truck driver on his grind is on his grind. We have tunnel vision after a while. Just all we think about is getting to destination, dropping off. We don't think about hours and time cards and managers and so-called bosses. You know, most truck drivers in my position and a lot of other positions, we are our own boss. You know, we dictate whether we want to drive or not. They need to call and contract us out. So a lot of us are contractors. That's why a lot of us truck drivers can go on these long stints vacations, because hey, we are the company. You know, nothing can really move unless we move it. From city, from state to state. Most of us drivers, we spend 80% of our lives on the road. And we prefer to be like this. This is why a lot of us are antisocial. You know, sometimes it's hard to hold down a relationship. It's hard to have a lot of friends, because when we get up this sort of hour in the morning to drive, you know, when you guys are at work, we're trying to get back home to go back to sleep. You know, or we'll pull over at a truck stop and get a little bit of sleep. We got to keep it moving, because that's what sort of game this is. It's a high stakes game. It's a dangerous game too. You know, we got these little cars out here. I think that they can cut in front of trucks. We got a full load on us. You know, everybody's racing. It's 4 something in the morning. You know, it should be too many people on the road at saying drivers gotta be on time, man. Because there are people always waiting for you at destination, and they expect you to be there on time. You can't be showing up an hour late. You can't be showing up too early. They won't be there. You gotta be on time. So you new drivers, just remember that. You gotta be on time. This is an on-time game. I don't care if you're going from New York to Texas or New York to California. You gotta be there Monday at 9 o'clock a.m. You gotta be there Monday at 9 o'clock a.m. It's an on-time game. No matter how far you travel. So for you new drivers get into this game, remember that, hey, this ain't for everybody. This life ain't for everybody. Yeah, it pays well. It pays well, but this is what it takes. That guy's on the side of the road there. You know, this is what it takes, so to get up this time in the morning so I could be in Brooklyn at 8:30 in the morning. You know. Anyway, like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it. You know, hit the Cash App for a fellow driver. I'm out here trying to get it. $sign NYC King 333. I appreciate it. You know, love and blessings to everybody. Be safe out there. Be safe.